and organizing my refrigerator. You guys, I have been slacking so much in this area, you guys. It is just a complete disaster, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get organized. And y'all, I hope this is a good motivational video, because once I show you what it looks like, I know it's going to motivate you to want to clean out your refrigerator and freezer if it looks anything like mine. But you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, you guys, this is my refrigerator. OMG, yes, yes, yes. What the heck is in here? Just a whole bunch of nothing. So you guys, you know, this is so embarrassing, but it's reality. This is real. But you know what? We're going to organize this declutter, and we're going to get this whole refrigerator revamped. I'm talking about, goodness gracious, you guys. I got to pull out stuff, leftover food in here, food from takeout. Yeah. I know. But you know what, you guys? This whole situation is going to get a whole lot better. The thing about my refrigerator, you know, it's like, as you can see, it's a double-sided refrigerator, but I have such a small freezer, and as you can see, y'all, we just throw stuff in here, But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this situation together and get started with this video. You guys, now that we've decluttered the refrigerator, now we're finna go ahead and start cleaning this refrigerator out. So I'm going to be using my vinegar and water, and I will be using some Palmolive dishwashing liquid. Now the first thing I like to do is go ahead and spray the refrigerator, you know, top to bottom, and get it saturated, and then I'm just going to close the refrigerator, and then I'm going to let it sit for a while. Alright, you guys, the freezer's almost completely decolored. I'm going to go ahead and spray my vinegar and water and let it saturate for a little while. And now we're going to go back to the refrigerator. I will be using this sponge I got from the Dollar Tree to wipe out my refrigerator to get up any kind of excess gunk. right, you guys, now it's time to organize my fridge. I picked up these liners from the Dollar Tree, and I also picked up these nice clear containers from Dollar General. Now, I know you can find these containers at Walmart, and you also can find them at the Container Store, but I wanted to, their stores are a little bit pricey for these containers, and I was trying to find a good deal. So I got them from the Dollar General, and they were like $4 a piece, I believe. So I was super excited when I got them, so I was like, yes, I'm getting these quickly. Now that I've placed the liners in my refrigerator, fun fact, the purpose of placing the liners is so you won't have as much mess to clean up. You want to place the liners in areas of your refrigerator where there may be some spills, or it may be some, anywhere that can like have any kind of buildup. So I decided to use liners because I know once I use the liners, it'll be easier for me to clean. Now we're going to go ahead and start staging your refrigerator. Again, you want to stage your refrigerator according to how your family use items in your fridge. I like to stage my refrigerator according to, what we usually go to first, like the juices, and then the next shelf we normally use that for yogurts and lunch meats and stuff like that. But I really like doing this part of the organizing process, you guys. Alright, you guys, now my refrigerator is completely organized. It looks so much better. I really love these clear containers. They just look so nice. They just give your refrigerator such a clean look. I really love those containers. Also, I'm pleased with the pattern that I chose for the liners. And as you can see, you guys, I did truly maximize my space. However, I wanted it again to be easily accessible for me and my family. And also, I just love the way, things are not looking bulky and cluttery and all that kind of stuff. So I really like the way it turned out. So you guys let me know what you think and leave a comment below. So now we're going to go ahead and get started on the freezer. Alright, you guys, now my freezer is completely cleaned out, and yeah, as you can see, I do have a very narrow freezer. So with that being said, I had to really think of some ideas and get creative with, okay, how in the heck can I keep everything in order without, everything looking all bulky and all out of sorts. So let me just give you guys a tip. You can use like different kind of trays or containers to place your meats in and your vegetables and stuff like that. Anyway, so it can seem like it's in some kind of order, and so everything can just have a home. So I did the best that I could do, but I still like the way everything turned out. right, you guys, now this is the complete look of my freezer. I love the way everything turned out, and all I did was just simply decided, okay, for certain meats I just wanted to like keep them together and categorize them, so to speak. And again, like I said, everything looks, and orderly, and I'm not trying to, make a big deal out of it, but I did want it to stay organized. And that's one thing I can say about my family. When I do complete organizing projects and stuff like that, they do religiously maintain everything. But look at the refrigerator and the freezer, you guys. Look at my final results. Yes, we have come a long way. So I really, really like the way everything turned out. I hope I was able to motivate you guys to, organize your refrigerator, and I hope I gave you some great tips. And I want you guys to share this video and like it, of course, and stay tuned for an upcoming video where I share with you my first project that I did for my very first client. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.